Welcome to our comparison of the Remington Shortcut Pro Self-Haircut Trimmer and the Ufree Foil Shaver. In today's video, we will delve into the features and benefits of each product, helping you decide which grooming tool suits your needs best. The Remington Shortcut Pro is designed for easy self-haircuts, while the Ufree Foil Shaver offers professional-grade shaving capabilities. Let's explore how these two products stack up against each other in terms of functionality, runtime, and water resistance. The primary function of the Remington Shortcut Pro is to provide an easy self-haircut experience, utilizing its extra-wide, curved stainless steel blade for effortless trimming. On the other hand, the Ufree Foil Shaver is designed for achieving extremely close shaves and precision detailing, making it ideal for users looking for professional results at home. Each product caters to different grooming needs, so understanding their core functionalities is essential for making the right choice. When it comes to runtime, the Remington Shortcut Pro offers 40 minutes of cordless use, which may be limiting for some users. In contrast, the Ufree Foil Shaver boasts an impressive 150 minutes of runtime, making it a better choice for those who require extended grooming sessions. This significant difference in battery life highlights the varying needs of users, with the Ufree being more suitable for professional use or longer grooming routines. The Remington Shortcut Pro is fully waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning and safe use in the shower. This feature enhances its convenience for users who prefer to groom in wet conditions. Conversely, the Ufree Foil Shaver is not specified as waterproof, which means it requires more careful maintenance and should be kept away from water during use. This distinction is crucial for users who prioritize easy cleaning and versatility in their grooming routine. In conclusion, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and Ufree Foil Shaver offer unique advantages tailored to different grooming needs. The Remington excels in self-haircut convenience and waterproof functionality, while the Ufree provides powerful performance and extended runtime for professional-grade shaving. Depending on your grooming preferences, either product could be the perfect addition to your grooming toolkit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.